for all you guys that are struggling with these inner axle U-joints, they're actually not that bad on these F-150 twin traction beam trucks. Use one of these ball joint presses and go up in here. You just cock the little short stub to the side over into this little space here, and you get this over top, and it fits right in there. Just push that cup into the hole there, flip it, rotate it one more and do the other side, and away you go. Pops right out of there. Putting it together will be exactly the opposite, and it'll work just fine. Here's the other piece here. Yeah, like I say, when you cock that over to the side, gives you lots of room to get in there. Give her a zap and away you go.